Many of you have heard the term leaky condo. Well, out here on the west coast, it's been a major problem, and not only with condominiums and large structures, but also with homes. This home was built 25 years ago, and a lot of the standards they used at that time are obviously not being done anymore. One of the deficiencies that they had was they ran using the hidden gutters and then running that gutter right into the wall. Well, that started to form a weakness between the bladder and the framing, allowing the water to actually hit the wall and then soak in. Now, this panel's been replaced. This is from the existing, but the water that was coming in was actually getting inside the house with a severe mold condition. We've taken the stucco out, and we're just at the beginning part of the restoration of this wall. Well, that just gives you an example of what happens. If this was left, this plywood would literally rot in place, and quite often become a home for an ant infestation or termites.